Here we are, final week of training. Can't believe it's here. We're like literally 5 days away as I'm recording this. And yeah, I went for a 3-mile run this morning, kicking off the final training runs. Felt pretty good. Did it on an easy pace, so I wasn't too worried there. And then just went with the flow. I was checking on the weather this morning, see how it may be this weekend, and surprisingly, I believe last time I mentioned I saw it was around 85 degrees. It's saying it's 71 degrees. So I like it, not bad. Still may seem like it may get a little warm, but I'm not too worried about that. But 71 is just right. Well, time for the last training run. So let's go. All right. We just had our final run in this training block. And now we just, rest up as much as possible, start carbo loading and, keeping hydrated until, we do the 5K and the marathon. So it's getting there. Here we are at Dodger Stadium, and it's a lot of people here already. And they've only been open for less than an hour. See downtown LA all the way over there.
What's the? He was trying to send that email.
They finished to the big 5Ks over there. That's the start line for both the 5K and the marathon. Got some massive lines for both. Thank you so much. That way. We got the bib for the 5K. Took a while. So now we go to the marathon line, open corral, and get our bib. All right, gear check, bag, bib secured. My green for the marathon. All right, let's go check out this. Let's go check out this Expo and see what they got, and fill up our gear check with whatever goodies we can. I'm done. The bag is full, my bibs are getting squished, so I think it's time for us to head home and start our carbo load, actually, so it's gonna be fun. Are y'all gonna miss seeing the Americana during my training vlogs? As per tradition from my previous marathons, I ate at Cheesecake Factory previously, so continuing that with having my carb meal, at least my first carb meal here at Cheesecake. All right, carbo Just got back from our carbo load dinner, at least the first one of the weekend. It was very filling, carby, and delicious. So, and we're gonna call it here for week 18. Thank you so much for joining me. As you've seen throughout the whole week, it's pretty much just a chill week, making sure that I'm rested up as much as possible. Of course, still having my final training runs, which is pretty much on an easy pace and low mileage. And of course, heading to the Expo today with getting our bibs for both the LA Big 5K and the marathon. So for the rest of the night, I'm just gonna, relax as much as possible. Definitely do some stretches and massage gun to make sure my legs are good to go for tomorrow's 5K and of course the marathon. So yeah, it's gonna be a pretty chill night. And after that, who knows? But of course, with this being the final training recap, I just want to thank you all for all the support you've given me these last few months with this. All the people who've messaged me and, who I've met through various channels here and there. So thank you so much for your support and for coming back each week to check on my progress. It truly helped me keep accountable to my training, and I truly do appreciate it. And of course, I cannot forget our final update before the marathon for the charity fundraiser for City of Hope. And I'm happy to say, as of today, March 15th, we have reached our $2,000 goal plus some, with at the moment being $2,060. What an amazing start to marathon weekend to see that tally line go full blue and beyond. It's an amazing start to marathon weekend. I truly, truly am appreciative. Thank you so much to all of you who have donated. It is truly an incredible feeling, and I'm really, no words can fully express this moment at this time. As you can tell, I'm pretty speechless. And with that, we'll end it here. Thank you so much for joining me here every single week. I truly do appreciate it. Come back next week as I'll have the LA Big 5K race for you. And then of course, the big one you'll all be waiting for is the LA Marathon, so stick around, that will be forthcoming. And if you're new to the channel and enjoy the adventures that we have here, or feel inspired for your own running journey, why not subscribe and do like the video, as it does help and maybe reach others as well to feel inspired for their own journey. And of course, I have many more adventures to come, so you do not want to miss out on any of it. I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. Until then, I'll see you all next time. Take care.